Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you useful guide on how to repair Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. First is you need to search for command prompt here at the bottom search bar. Type CMD for shortcut and then run as administrator. Okay? So the moment that your user account control will ask you to allow, just go to yes. And this new window will appear. Here, you need to type SFC. Make sure all that the letters is all in lowercase, space, / scan now. And then click enter to continue. Here, your system will begin to scan and it will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your machine. Just leave the process and wait. And once done, restart your computer and see if your computer is performing better. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step. So the second step is to search for command prompt again, type CMD, and then go for run as administrator. We'll just wait. Okay. Here, click that. And then your user account control ask you again to allow. Just click on yes. Okay. Once done, you need to input this command. Okay. Just simply post the video to take down notes of this command. Let me just highlight this. Control C to copy and then Control V. This command will actually restore the health of your computer and it will also take some time depending on your machine. So just have to leave the system here and once done, restart your computer and your computer will perform better. Okay? So the next step and the last step is you need to search for recovery options in the Windows search bar. Okay, here at the bottom search bar, type for recovery options and then click on open. So the moment you click on open, you will be redirected to the settings. Just have to wait. Okay, here in the recovery, under this, aligning this reset this PC, click on reset PC. This will reinstall your Windows and restart it. Okay? Here in this option, you have actually two options. Keep my files, removed everything. So if you want to keep files, datas, applications in your computer, go with the keep files. Okay? So this will get things ready and this will not take long. And here it asks you how would you like to reinstall Windows and I recommend to go to cloud download. And once you click that, just go click this and then click on next. Okay? So those are the steps on how to repair your Windows, either Windows 10 or 11. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.